Welcome to ReShoot 360 tutorials. Today, we will see the photo filter half pipe. Before starting, select a 360 photo or a 360 video you would like to edit. Now, select the preset photo. Select the type of social network you target. For example, select the preset Instagram. Select the photo filter half pipe. You can see a preview of your final photo and you can modify some parameters of the filter. Each parameter can be modified with the slider and more precisely with buttons plus and minus. Keyframe parameter allows to select the keyframe we want to edit. We have this parameter because we are editing a 360 video. You will not have this parameter if you are editing a 360 photo. Rotation parameter changes where the half pipe starts in the photo. Curvature parameter modifies the angle of the half pipe. Now, you can export the final photo by using the button in the top right corner. Your photo is saved on your device in the album ReShoot 360. You will find even more options to edit your 360 media with the editor. Thank you for watching and have a good day.